Welcome back. Another way to get more specific information in a search is to use the ALLINTITLE command. And basically what you're doing is you're telling Google, bring back only those pages that have our keywords in the title of the page. And so typically if someone names a page behind certain keywords, that information is going to be relevant to those keywords. So we're safe in looking for specifically those pages that have our keywords. And the way that you look for that search parameter is that you will type in at the very beginning, all in title. That'll be one word. Going to put a colon. You're going to put a space after the word. Then you'll click enter. You're going to find that all of the pages that have the name, in this particular case low carb dieting, will then come up. This is a way for you to get different search results, yet relevant to a particular search that you would not find otherwise if they didn't rank first in search in the first place. So again, you are finding other ways of looking at your keyword with diversity of information. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.